I'm Carlos de Almeida, Director of Sales for South Africa for the Wire Group of companies. Yes, they are. They are carrier neutral, and the model is a true open access model. We impose no restrictions whatsoever from an accessibility or connectivity of choice. It is open to anyone that wishes to co-locate with us, and the model itself, as it stands, as it says, it's an open access model. So essentially you have the choice and exercise the choice, the freedom of choice of choosing whatever connectivity provider you may choose. So when you take co-location with OADC, you have the option to choose your connectivity partner. And as a matter of fact, we encourage you to bring your connectivity partner of choice, whether it is IPT, last mile, or national long distance, because then the ecosystem becomes bigger and you bring the additional choice for other anchor tenants that we have co-locating on our open access data centers. So the HDC data centers dotted across South Africa. I was personally involved with the selection criteria of these data centers, and I personally trekked this country looking for the correct location, the correct position for us to build these edge data centers. And the mandate was in conjunction with anchor tenants that wanted to co-locate with us. So they wanted to have that choice of connectivity, not just wire connectivity. They wanted to be able to interface to other fiber network operators, to other internet service providers. And in certain instances, the locations had to be high enough to enable the anchor tenant to actually install their own radio and microwave equipment, so that again, they could connect to their clients, their end users, not using wire infrastructure, but using their own means of communication. Not at all. Wire is a company that started its business way back in 2008 as a wholesale company. The profile and DNA of Wire has always been as a wholesale company. In other words, we provide services and we empower and enable network operators, internet service providers, wireless service providers, FNOs with connectivity choice, but we never ever touch the end user. And the reason why we don't do that, it's because that is the business of our partners. That is the business of our anchor tenants as well. So we would never ever touch the enterprise client. That is their business. That's sacred. Our DNA is a wholesale company.